Hello friends, today we will discuss the topic how to disable user account control in Windows 10. Sometimes we open the software and it gives a message whether we have to open it or not, and it displays the message every time when we install any software or install any exe file or open any exe file or any other file which is these are the security check which are necessary to do so. We will not execute any virus or any malicious file or any thing wrong file to our system which will not destroy our data system data. So we will see how we can disable this user account control in Windows 10. First of all, go to control panel. Here we see user account, and here we see change user account setting control. This is the option user account control setting. We can modify as our requirement. We can its default, or we can its low or high notification. Here it's disabled, but it's not recommended. Never notify me when apps try to install software or make changes to my computer. I make changes to Windows setting. It means that when we click on any application, it will automatically install and it will never notify us. And when we click this position, this is also not recommended. This is don't notify, but when I make changes to Windows setting, then it will be notified. This is the default. It's recommended, and don't notify me when I make changes to Windows setting. Okay, and this is the always notify when I want to change on Windows setting. I want to try to install any app. And this is the user account control setting. We can change its setting according to our requirement. And here we see a large icon, and if we click on category, then we see here, and here is the change user account control setting. This is the second option from where we will find the user account control setting. Friends, one another method I will tell you how we can this. Go to run and type here msconfig. Okay, friends, here we see different options, different menus: general, boot, services menu, startup, and tools menu. We go to tool menu, and here are different tools available which we want to use. Here is one is change UAC setting. UAC means user account control setting, and click on launch. When we click on launch, friends, same menu is opened which we opened through control panel. So friends, these are the different options through which we can control user account control setting. I hope you will be understand, and it will be helpful for you to see more good videos about Windows setting, troubleshooting, installation, configuration. Please like, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.